Use this period to grow your hairline. Okay.
You got me in a haze, got me in a haze, not coming out of this for days. You got me in a haze.
Hello there, how are you doing? I hope you're doing very well. I hope you're taking care of yourself. I hope you're safe at home and you're doing everything to stay sane. I am here with another tutorial on I'll get straight into it. This is the situation we have right here. So I'm going to moisturize my hair and I'm going to use a leave-in for that.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift and hope that you'll take it into her side.
I just got attacked. Wait, I'll put a screenshot of what the person has tweeted. I know her. She says, use this period to grow your hairline. Okay. And then someone responds with me genetic, stop shouting. And I'm like, yeah man, I feel you. So me genetics, hata upake. So I'll be using these clippings from Natural Hair Kenya that I've used in 2 of my previous videos. I will link them in the description box and add a link here. So let's see how this goes.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift and hope that you'll take it into her side.
that's the final look, guys. I made 4 bangs and a curly bun, and I think this is a style I will try again for work and for an outing, for just styling and looking good anyway. So thank you so much for watching. I hope the music wasn't disruptive. I know we have to do what we have to do, and we move regardless. I wish you well. Please stay home and stay safe. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much to all those who have been watching my videos and commenting. Yo, this is for you.